Mr. Moore, your first question. What is your aspiration in life?
Oh, my aspiration would be Jay.
Many drugs to try, right now I get to from the bottom of my table, I'm crazy about you. Everything that I want, I've seen you, and baby, oh, take
Bethuna cela igesi zingene zonke stage nakoxesha.
She got married to a boy like you. She could kill if she asked. You told me that you dirty, dirty boy. You know everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the place.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of it, even if it takes all I can't find my feet. Heart glass, my mind of stone. It's killable. Welcome home.
Walking out of town, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my empty space. But I know someday I'll make it out of it, even if it takes all night.
Anam koşuyor.
Looking for a better place. Something's on my mind. Always in my space.
Ikiwa mama kuna audience na sister Taimani, ikiwa mama kuna ikiwa mama kuna audience na sister Taimani. Ikiwa mama kuna
DJ, Zocela uSantino noLiseko Mqoniso bazongena nabo bayi stage. Alibona wasathu. Liseko Mqoniso noSantino.
I'm breaking down at the drag of my time. I wish I could count the days that I'm left with. Who knows, I could have been crying to my love. My sorrows see the darkness, but I believe someone will bring me the light. Sometimes I can even decide what's good, what's better, not an angel, 'cause if you're close to me, don't look back. Lucky I could talk, take it long enough. The rest of the life I'm with the time. Lost my mind for the fear. I can take my time. Who am I? Who are we? Now you can scared. Then I set up for the days in this world. Can you hear my voice in the silence? I'm trapped among the fears. Ain't got no weapon to kill myself. That's the only way I'll be free from it. I'll scream to be heard. I'll die to be heard by someone, but the grace God. Yeah. Born in this world, I've got to find the mind. I've got to fall in love. I've got to head a family. I've got to build a new place. I'm in the name, close to being left. Now I found this girl, the one I believe that she fell for mama. Woke up in my arms, the feeling on her back. I wait for us to dream together. Had kids, one girl, one boy, one boy. And my soul still, but still loving. Hey, hello, can you hear me from so far? I should have known I could never sleep so high. Thank you, Santino!
So this is top 5. Number 22, Killer Boys. Number 14. Number 14. Number 7. Number 12. Number 10. Then sibize i-top 5 ye-Junior Girls. Number 9. Number 38. Number 69. Number 35. Number 36.
senior boys. Number 44. Number 30. Number 13. Number 74. Number 18. Number 44. Number 30. Number 13. Number 74. Number 18. Number 13. Number 74. Number 18. These senior boys also. Number 11, number 9, number 33, number 28, number 16, 11, 9, 33, 28, Papi. Then siyababa lingana nami ke ngoku. I-plus size girls. U-41, 65, 32, 23, 48. Then, see plus size boys. Okay, ladies first. So, see, quick legends, girls. Number 51, number 49, number 1, number 56, number 21. Number 51, number 49, number 1, number 56, number 21. CFP legends, E-boys. Number 24, number 66, number 8, number 99, number 45. Number 25, 66, 8, 99, 45. Number 36. Then ndicela unumber 35 nonumber 69 apha phambili. Abantu abaphethe iseshe juniors abantu abaphethe isesh zethu.
Oh, president between. Oh, Mr. President.
Wow, wow. I-second prince yethu unumber 7. Then bendicela unumber 30. Number 30. Number 13 and number 30. Are you guys ready for uNdlunkulu? Are you guys ready for uNdlunkulu waseBheliza? Ngifuna ukuduka mina, anithethi. Ni ready? Okay. Into endiyaziyo mna, iqueen yethu no-3 qha inumber yakhe.
Bethuna, Felido.
Our queen is number 30. Guys, silahlekele iblazer emnyama. Iblazer yejani. Our first prince is number 11. Then first princess yethu unumber 23. Then our queen is number 41. CFP plus size boys. Our first prince is number 68. Then ikumkani yethu. Ikumkani yethu. Unamba 80. Number 51 as the puppy. Are you guys ready? Ni ready? I-legend yethu. Nithi ngubani? 51. Nilele no-1 no-9. Nithini na? And our queen is number 49. Enkosini. Nibacela boy-2 okanye aze Guys, sizagoda. Ikumkani yethu is number 24.
Molweni babukele emakhaya, igama lami ngubulelani Mabhokela. Silapha kwisikolo kuthiwa i-Ebenezer Majombos High School. Namhlanje bekho khona uMr no Mrs Ebenezer. Si-legend ke ezi uzibonayo. Molo sesinjani?
Ndiyaphila njani wena futhi?
Philana khona usive njani namhlanje na uphumile?
Oh, I was very excited. It was an unexpected moment, but overall I'm very happy with how things turned out. It was an amazing experience, an experience that I would do all over again. This is amazing.
Igama lakho ngubani?
Ndinguzikho Qombelo futhi mina.
Iclass uyenza ngephi?
I'm doing grade 10 kulo nyaka, doing science and accounting. Yes.
Alright, inkosi. Hello sisi njani?
Molo bhuti njani?
Phila khona nawe uziva njani namhlanje uyinqalenye?
Oh, the feeling, I couldn't even, but it was such an amazing experience to experience this.
Yakunqani badala, xa nibona le mini namhlanje nizive ni-emotional.
Yes.
Alright. Hello sisi njani?
Ndiyaphila kanjani?
Khona nawe uziva njani?
I feel happy, excited. I can't describe it in words, but I'm very excited for the opportunity to become a legend as Ebenezer.
Unthini kwabanye abantwana basemakhaya?
I would say that to other children at home, goals are reachable, dreams are reachable, even though they seem too big or scary. If you go there with hard work and determination, you will go there.
Ngosi, ngicela nisondele babhuti, ngicela nisondele. Molweni njani?
Ngiyaphileka tata khona kunjani kuwe?
Phila khona, uziva njani?
Ndizwa kamnandi kakhulu kona liDaniel bangafumananga ikumkani ndiqhela ubukumkani kakhulu nto nje ke ndizamazamile apho ndizame khona nto nje ndigqibele kudala nomodelisha so ibile ithamsanqa nokuba ndifumane naleyo so ndizwa kakhulu ndizwa kamnandi kakhulu.
Okay, uthi?
Molo tata.
Njani?
Aphila kanjani tata?
Nala khona nawe uziva njani?
I'm so happy to get the opportunity to be crowned as the legend of Mr. and Miss Ebenezer 2024. I'm truly happy.
Okay, nawe bhuti njani?
Molo bhuti njani?
Nala khona nawe uziva njani?
Angikwazi chaza uba ndiva njani, ndiyavuya kakhulu because can't expect uba ndizawuthi ndifike apha ndibe yi-first prince ka-Mr. Legend Ebenezer.
Okay, nifuna senze u-hashtag ke ngoku ne? Mna ndizathi hashtag nina nithi Mr. Ebenezer and Miss Ebenezer ne? Wasikhala si-rehearse. Hashtag
Mr. and Miss Ebenezer.
Okay, siyenza with confidence and loud ne? 1, 2, 3, hashtag
Mr. and Miss Ebenezer.
One more time, hashtag
Mr. and Mr. Ebenezer.
2024. Alright ke uhlale njalo ke usabukele sisaya ku principal enkosi kakhulu. Ihleli ke no Mr. Phakade principal lapha eBenezer Majombos High School namhlanje ke bebenesihika esomsebenzi omhle uMr and Miss Ebenezer lapha ecaleni kwami. Molo senjani?
Molo tata siphila ukhonto ninjani nina?
Ngabe nje ndiyafeketha. Yale mina namhlanje lo mcimbi omhle kangaka niuqale nini sibonile lapha abantwana bakho bebebahle ngale mina namhlanje ngoqinisekilezo babona apha kwivideo.
Yes, thank you very much. Okokuqala abantwana babanayo le event every year. We spread it twice. We have it at the beginning of the year for newcomers and then we have it now for the entire school. This is our way of encouraging our learners to know that life out there is full of a lot of things that they can do so that they stay away from trouble and from crime, from drugs and so on. So it's an event that we have annually to just make sure abantwana bethu are entertained. As you can see, it's August now. We are going to start our trial exams and eventually our end of year exam. So this serves to prepare them further for that so that they know ndoba ubomi bugcwele izinto zokonwaba, ubomi bugcwele izinto zokufundisa and so on.
Kuminyaka ezayo nizibona niphinga lento ka Miss and Miss Ebenezer.
Hayi sawupap. I can tell you that from these ones bakhona abantwana sebe participate already kwezinye programs. Kuminyaka ezayo sizibona semajukujukwini ngalento because injongo zethu kuphuhlisa abantwana bethu bayazi ndoba ubomi buzwele izinto ngezinto ezilulutho kubo. Basuke kwi-drug and substance abuse baziphathe kakuhle bahlale bebahle bahlale bekrelekrele. So yinto ke lena siyenza every year and every year iye improve if you look at it.
Okay ke sakwenza into yokugqibela ke mna ngizathi hashtag nina nithi Mr. Ebenezer and Miss Ebenezer senza kabini with confidence and loud basika si rehearse hashtag
Mr. Ebenezer and Miss Ebenezer.
Okay so yenza official ne 1, 2, 3 hashtag
Mr. Ebenezer
and Miss Ebenezer.
One more time
Mr. Ebenezer and Miss Ebenezer.
Enkosi mbukele ekhaya.